Most men think what fades with age is gone forever. It isn't. It's just been ignored. Gentlemen, let me ask you something honestly. Cunates, what if there were a single spot on your body about the size of a coin that, when gently massaged for just 1 minute a day, could support blood flow, improve sensitivity, and help revive performance that may have faded over the years? It sounds hard to believe, maybe even a little uncomfortable to talk about. But stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll learn exactly where that spot is, why it matters, and how a simple daily habit could be the most natural support your body has been waiting for. Now, before we continue, take a second to hit the like button if you care about staying healthy and confident after users. Leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. It's incredible to see men from all over the world supporting one another here. And subscribe so you don't miss future videos focused on men's health, vitality, and confidence. Now let's talk about the truth behind this hidden spot. Most men believe that after Wusser's changes in performance are unavoidable. They assume circulation slows, hormones decline, and intimacy naturally becomes harder. So they either ignore the issue or rely on quick fixes that only work temporarily. But age itself isn't the real issue. The real problem is tension and reduced circulation in the pelvic area. Right? Years of sitting, stress, shallow breathing, and inactivity cause the muscles of the pelvic floor, the muscles involved in blood flow, control, and sensation, to become tight and unresponsive at the same time. Imagine an old rubber band. It's stiff, stretched out, and has lost its snap. That's what happens inside the body. When these tissues stay tense, blood vessels don't expand easily, nerves don't communicate clearly, and responses that once felt natural begin to feel unreliable. The encouraging news is that the body is adaptable. By gently releasing tension and encouraging circulation in the right area, you can help restore communication between the brain, nerves, and blood vessels. This isn't a new idea. Many traditional systems recognized this spot centuries ago. What's changed is that modern understanding now explains why it can be helpful. One of the biggest issues men overlook is chronic pelvic tension. Stress, long periods of sitting, even unconsciously clenching throughout the day cause these muscles to stay tight. When that happens, circulation slows and sensitivity fades. Gentle massage helps relax that tension, like loosening a knot that's been restricting movement for years. Another common mistake is relying only on pills. While medication may create temporary effects, it doesn't address flexibility, circulation, or nerve signaling. That's why results often feel inconsistent. Gentle, consistent techniques work with the body instead of forcing it. The biggest mistake of all is believing that age means decline is inevitable. Yes, many men well into their lickers and tertiaries are surprised to discover how responsive their bodies still are once circulation and relaxation are supported. The body doesn't forget, it simply responds to attention. This technique isn't about forcing results or chasing performance. It's about restoring awareness, easing tension, and allowing the body to do what it's designed to do naturally. If you stay with me, I'll show you how to approach this safely, calmly, and effectively without pressure, embarrassment, or unrealistic promises. And because vitality doesn't disappear with age, it waits for the right signal. Within weeks, many men notice something unexpected returning, not just physical responsiveness, but confidence and closeness as well. Okay, now let's get practical. This technique is simple and it should never feel forced. The area you're looking for is located between the scrotum and the anus, right in the center. It may feel slightly softer than the surrounding tissue. If there's mild tenderness, that's normal and often a sign you're in the right place. Get comfortable first. You can sit on the edge of a chair or lie on your back with your knees bent. The goal is ease, no strain, no tension. Using your index and middle fingers, apply gentle pressure. Think of the firmness you'd use to check if a tomato is ripe, firm enough to feel contact, never painful. Economatics for about 1 minute. Small circular motions work well, or gentle press and release movements. Move slowly. Let your breathing stay deep and relaxed. This is not about speed or force, it's about awareness. Using a natural oil can make this more comfortable and supportive. Castor oil is known for deep tissue support and circulation. Coconut oil is gentle and soothing. Black seed oil has a long history of traditional use. Warm the oil between your hands first so it feels comfortable on the skin. Do this once a day. Morning can be helpful for circulation. Evening is ideal for relaxation and supporting overnight recovery. What matters most is consistency. 1 minute every day is far more effective than long sessions done occasionally. Some men feel hesitant at first. That's understandable. Many have never paid attention to this part of their body before. But this isn't strange, and it isn't something to feel embarrassed about. This is about restoring function, comfort, and dignity. One man in his early 60s shared that after a few weeks of consistent practice, he noticed more than just improved response. His lower back felt looser, his hip discomfort eased, even bladder control improved. He said he simply felt more like himself again. That's what this is really about: quality of life. Not forcing performance, not chasing results, just giving your body the right signals and allowing it to respond naturally. So remember this: 1 minute a day, gentle pressure, consistent attention. Small actions done daily can support changes that quick fixes never address. And if this message gave you hope, tap the like button so more men can find it. Subscribe if you want calm, practical guidance focused on long-term health. And differ in Zerbev Ishim. And in the comments, share one small change you're committed to making this week. You are not broken. And you are not too old, and your body still responds when you listen to it. Take one small step today. Your future self will thank you.